Okay, so 84 random dudes sent me a video request on lawnmowers. Well, my grandfather has a lot of them. Okay, first off, he has two snowblowers. We got an Atlas and a Toro. That's a Toro, that's an Atlas, and you got a Toro leaf blower. Okay. I'm going to try and get around to the lawnmowers. He fixes all this stuff. Outdoor power equipment. Okay. He has 4 lawnmowers. First off, we got a Toro GTS guaranteed to start. He picked this up last year. Recycler, personal pace. 6.5 horse. It's got a Briggs and Stratton 6.5 horse engine, direct fuel injected, twin opposed, or a single cylinder, guaranteed to start system. And back here we've got another Toro with a Briggs and Stratton 6.5 horsepower, total coverage warranty, guaranteed to start or first and second pull. Toro. Yeah. And it's a super recycler, personal pace, self-propelled. These are all push mowers. Zoom back out. Okay. And then oh, there's a Briggs and Stratton on this one. Hold on. This one also, this Toro has a Briggs and Stratton. Again, that's direct fuel injected, guaranteed to start, single cylinder. And then back here, picked this one up a couple of weeks ago. It is a Yard Machines, which is just Menards brand. 6 1/4 horse. Well, I guess you could just round it up to being 6.5 horses like the rest of them. 6.5 horse Yard Machines by Menards. Self-propelled, rear bag / mulch, so it's a recycler. And it's got a Briggs and Stratton 6.5 horsepower. I'm just going to call it 6.5. It just had a bad, I forget, a bad starter, I think. I'm not sure. But he just picked this one up not long ago. Oh, and by the way, this lawnmower here, there's one more out back, by the way. I'll go show that in a minute. This lawnmower here, he's going to, this one or this one, I forget. I think he's going to give me this one. He's going to give me one of the 2 Toros because he says he's had them for a while. Might as well take them. Anyways, let me go around back. I don't feel like cutting through the family room. Okay, back here's the Train XC1000 2.5 ton 1999 unit. Okay, here's another Yard Machines. Gold Yard Machine. Oh, that's pretty good. 6 horse Briggs and Stratton engine. Self-propelled high wheel. Okay. It's personal pace as well. It has mulch or rear bag as an option. Single cylinder, obviously. Direct fuel injected. I think takes, does it have prime? Yeah. Gasoline. Over here is a Kenmore 4-ton 1988 4-ton 1988 Kenmore. I think that by those standards was a 8 or 9 seer, maybe a 10 seer. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. I can't zoom on that because you can kind of see it. Copeland recip. But anyways, yep. I'll probably bring out my future lawnmower soon, but that's a nice lawn boy. He said it's real quiet. I'll ask him what the problem was with the other lawn boy. So that's also a Menards brand lawnmower. You know what, let me see when it's from. It may say that. I know how to decode this. Cold starting the lawn, or the yard machines. How many did you give? 3 primes? I'm gonna cold start it and
I tried it on 140 the other day when it was warm.
yeah, but it's about 58 right now. Okay.
Oh, did
Machines. It did. That was an easy one.
Show you how the blade spins.
Yeah.
See how
Really fast.
See how fast?
Oh yeah.
Take your finger up.
I know. Then with the larger horses, it will even go faster. But see, he's going to give me this this here. Back here. Briggs and Stratton GTS. Because I'm only 10, I don't have the strength to start it a bunch of times like he does. So I'm taking a GTS. Well, I only have to bump it a few times, give it a few primes as usual, but yep. That was a Lawn Boy 2004 yard machines. I decoded the serial number. It's from 2004.